In this video, you're going to learn about how to actually plan a whole birthday for your kid and to find the right gift for your kid. So over here, there's a detailed prompt. If you guys want to copy it, I can simply paste it in the description. So you guys can simply go ahead and copy it and drop it in whenever you guys want to do things. Oh, obviously, these are the 5 questions that first you need to answer. Like, what is the age of the birthday child, and what are their current top three favorite interests? Like for me, it's a 13-year-old female, Blackpink, Dragon Ball, anime, drawing, and sketching. What is the total guest count? That for me is 20. What's the total budget for the event? For me, it's 30K. Where will the party be hosted at home? What is the target date? I mentioned that it goes through 5 modules: theme development, immersiveness, financial blueprint, and budget allocation, reverse engineered planning timeline, culinary experience and allergy safety, entertainment, games, and activity schedule, decor and spatial layout, meaningful favors and goodies bags, day of execution, and emergency backup plan. And after that, it gave me a detailed plan about how to do the whole planning of everything. And after that, I asked for the specifically for the birthday gift with a different budget of it. So it gave me like happy students here. Three loves are black playing Dragon Ball Z and so here's how I would think about it: grow by our interest with the range, so you can match whatever your gift budget is. Telling me the number, and I will narrow to the specific viable option. My single strongest recommendation, if the budget stretches to it, is a beginner drawing tablet like an XP pen or a E1. It lets her draw Blackpink and Dragon Ball fan art digitally, which is exactly where a 13-year-old starts want to go to next. So this is something which is very good, and I really recommend you guys to go ahead and follow these kind of tips and tricks to plan the things in a more structurized way. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.